Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete monday.com account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or go and register if you already don't have one. Now that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home screen, we have my work, we have new items and a lot of things here, as you can see also in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete monday.com account. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is go and click on the top right corner as we talked earlier. And here you just need to go, and out of all of these options here, you need to go and click on administration. So after clicking on administration here, as you can see, we'll have a lot of things going on. What you guys need to do is go and click on the out of all these options in the left side of the screen. As you can see, we have a couple of options here. You just need to go and click on the option which is named billing. Here you, as you can see in the bottom right corner, have the close my account button, which you need to click to go and delete your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.